Alrighty, welcome to our first little teaser video. My name is Joel. I am the Unity SDK lead over at Lamina One, and this video is for Unity developers who are excited about our early access to the Unity SDK for Lamina One. This video is targeted at developers, so if you're not a developer, it'll get a little bit technical. So what do we have here for you today? First of all, let me just caveat, this is a very early prototype. Everything in here is probably going to change repeatedly. All the artwork is placeholder. So let's just get into what it can do and how you can use it to make the Web3 games and experiences you want to make on the Lamina One blockchain. So first step, let me just run this thing. And we're going to see a big login button. I'm going to click this login button and it's going to present it for putting in your private key. If you do not already have a wallet, so head over to testnet and get yourself a Lamina One wallet. Obviously, make a separate one because this is for testing purposes only. I've already got that set up, so I'm going to drop my key in here, and we're going to see what this thing can do. So right now, the SDK has three primary functions. We can send L1 currency to any address we'd like. We have a collection of NFTs that you can mint to, and we have a marketplace where you can list them as well as buy them. Let's go through these one at a time. We'll go through the easy ones first, starting with sending L1. So this, of course, is my address here, and I'm going to click the self-test. It's going to drop my address into the to field. I'm going to send one L1 to myself, and you can see down here, it's going to debug out. This is the amount that I had before sending and the amount that I had after sending, and it's very similar, minus the gas fee. So that works pretty easily, pretty straightforward. You can send currency around. Next feature, let's take a look at the collection itself. So right now we have two NFTs. We have the cube and we have the test sword. These are our demo NFTs for this marketplace. You can mint additional ones if you like. As you can see, our test minter will randomly pick one of those two. Click confirm. Let it do a load and let's see which one we get. We got, looks like another sword. So now I got two of each. I can list these. I can click on one I'd like and click the list button, but let's go take a look at the marketplace itself first. So here's the marketplace holder. You can see here are the ones that are currently on the market. This one's mine. It denotes that right there. I can buy these as well with a little purchase button, and I will show you that in a moment. But first, let's go list one of my own. So I noticed there were no cubes on the marketplace, so I'm going to take this cube, click the list button. We've locked this to 1.5 L1 for this demonstration. Click confirm. Let it do its load. You can see down here, the browser service has already approved it. There's the transaction hash, and now it's done. It's successful. It disappears from my collection. Over in the marketplace, here's my cube. So there you can see that works as well. I'm going to go ahead and buy this other sword. I'm going to purchase that one. It's going to do a little load. That one's going to vanish from the marketplace, and we'll come back to the collection. And now I have three swords and one cube. So those are the basic pieces of functionality. You can mint NFTs, you can list them, you can buy them, you can send currency. This is what we would consider like the MVP, the basic necessary functionality for what the SDK can do. And that's pretty much where we're at. Now, what do we want for this early access process? First of all, this is just the first step. This is the first in a series of videos, so we're going to deep dive each of these things. I'm going to make code videos. It'll get a lot more technical in there, so we'll show you exactly how we're doing all of this stuff, but this is the example. What we want out of this experience is for you to mess with these tools, do stuff with them, test them out, tell us what the pain points are, tell us what it doesn't do that you want it to do, and then we'll develop it together. I'm pretty excited about how this is going. Already we have the basic functionality, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what everybody wants so we can make it the best that it can possibly be.